Okay, project for today. Laser, not functional. Is it functional? Yes, technically. Problem being, no exhaust fan. What's the reason for the, or why is this a problem? Because it gets in your lungs, it gets on the walls, it is not nice, and it smokes up my basement. So, here's the thing. This is what we're going for. Bathroom. Bathroom exhaust fan. That goes in the ceiling, right here, 80 CFM, gets blown out. Literally as simple as that. All I gotta do is figure out how to place it on top of here, solder the wires, and get a 8-inch duct. Let's get to it. Here are the 3D printed legs that I made for setting the exhaust fan to be at an equal height. Problem, very big. My 3D printer broke. So I'm gonna fix this. And the error I was getting on the 3D printer, which is an Ender, what is it? Ender 3S1, is low nozzle temperature. And I did fix it, so I'll show you how I did that. And I also created, I finished the print for this, and I will show that in just a second. Boom! Here is the fixed print, and all I'm going to do is just simply glue it on top of each other like that, and bam. That's what it was supposed to look like from the beginning. Problem solved. Kinda. Still gotta fix it. Right there. I unscrewed that right. I unscrewed that right there. And I literally just unscrewed it, screwed it back in, and no more low nozzle temperature. I finished the repair. I just used a soldering iron to hold the two pieces together. So I, in a way, welded it together. For this one, I used extra filament. I cut it off from the roll and just did it, but these hold just as well, and I just fused the two together without any extra filament. One thing that was super annoying, I tried to use super glue, and now it looks like I have a permanent stain in my shirt. And I use this shirt for work, so this is no good. With that out of the way, this is now floating like this. One terrible oversight. I forgot side support, so this thing wobbles. Not great. We will add an addition. Done. Okay, here is the sketchy setup. I 3D printed these things. Duct tape. I don't know. We'll see. Solder job. Took the case apart. No case. Let's see how this goes. Good luck. Perfect. Okay, this is the real moment of truth. This is when the most smoke usually comes out because it's literally cutting through. Dude, come on, dude. One more for good luck. It's the Polish Eagle. To conclude, I smell nothing, and this works great. Keeping it exactly like this, and I'm not touching it ever again. This is perfect. Thank you for watching. I will make another video at some point in the future.